Yo, welcome to the Cooking General, man. You know y'all was there. Hey, but check this out here. Man, I got a good lineup coming up for y'all. I know y'all just seen the old video classic I just put on there. I got another classic coming on after this video here. I got another new video, brand new I'm finna shoot. I'm finna do an interpretive thing. It's in honor of Judge Harris. And it's gonna be going on, you know what I'm saying? It's all part of the Father's Day, Juneteenth weekend. And we're gonna get that done. And I'm gonna show you an old classic. You probably won't wanna do this here because this is gonna be an 1800 recipe. Back in the days, they want me to take it back. But I'm gonna film that there. I'm gonna bring it to this channel so y'all can see me doing that kind of stuff. Now, I also got another video gonna come out new after that one comes out. And you don't wanna miss that one there because it's gonna be a classic too. Man, the Cooking General got a lot of stuff going on, man. Hey, you might have missed me before, but you ain't gonna miss me this time here because the Cooking General is getting busy. Man, hey, we're gonna do it like we always do it. Cooking General. Somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey man, back here. Now this is a refrigerator leftover breakfast. This is just stuff that you have in your freezer. You want to have a quick breakfast and try to get rid of some stuff. Everything I got here, I use. So I got a used pack of butter here. I'm gonna use it up. I had a couple of eggs left. I had some Jimmy Dean's from one video I had some salsa left. I had some flour tortillas and I had some 3 pepper bland El Paso cheese. And it's gonna make a pretty good breakfast. It's just a throw. When you clean your refrigerator out, man, you wanna make a breakfast. It could be a dinner, it could be a lunch, it don't matter. Depends on what you got left. But this is more of a breakfast type, so we're gonna put it together. I had some bacon, I had some wieners. I'm gonna put all that on there, but hey, whatever you got, throw it together. Let's go and put this together. I'm gonna show you how. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. You see I got my pan sauce. I got it already, you know what I'm saying? I got it. Oh man, I want the camera to steam up. All right, I got it already done, and this is like a quick breakfast. I ain't trying to do nothing fancy. I got my eggs in here cooking. I'm gonna scramble them there on up. You probably say, well, why you didn't mix them all there? I ain't trying to do nothing. It's a quick breakfast. It's a clean out the freezer day. Let's do this here. Scramble your eggs, bring your ground meat, scramble your eggs, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, there you go. You see I got my butter in the skillet, and I got my tortilla brown, and it's crisp too. It's holding up really good. The brown edges, I brown both sides of it. Put a little butter. The only thing I added to the eggs was a little garlic powder and some black pepper because I didn't want to add no salt or nothing like that because I know that I got the other stuff. And, oh, got a new skillet coming in too because this skillet here about to have it. All right, let's go ahead and put this together. I'm gonna show you how it look. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. There you go, your finished products there. And you put your little pecani sauce on there. Man, you talking about it real good. It's real good. And it cleans your refrigerator out. Now, I had bacon, but I used that up. I had wieners. I'm going to put, you just do anything on this here. You know what I'm saying? You make it breakfast. You can make it dinner, make it supper, you know, anything. Just toast it up like that there. It holds up really good, really firm. Hey, man, I'm finna tie this thing up. Let's go and conclude this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey, man, I know that was a quick video. I know that's something easy. Y'all probably already done that before anyway. But I wanted to just go ahead and throw a quick video in here. But next week, I really got something really special for you. Now, the special that I'm gonna be doing is from the 1800s. That's gonna be recorded on the 24th. That video probably won't come out until the 25th. I gotta do the editing and stuff. Then a new video will come out that Monday, followed by another classic video from my other channel. And man, hey, we got to have it going on pretty good, man. Cooking General, man, like I never said, you can take that leftover. It could be any kind of thing. Just throw it on there. Wrap it all up. Make it a lunch, dinner. It don't matter what you got, beans, whatever. Put them on there. And we throw it together. Hey, we just cooking from basics. Hey, we ain't no chef. Hey, but I'm a general. Cooking General.